On November 12, 2024, community members gathered to honor 15-year-old Prince Michael Banner, the teen who was shot and killed at the marketplace 2 nights earlier.
Keep our family in your prayers. Prayers work.
That same day, the suspect in this case, 15-year-old Albert Briseño Jr., turned himself into police. Police submitted a report to the DA's office, but it was returned in December for further investigation, and Briseño Jr. faced no charges.
And an investigation is occurring. It occurs at different speeds.
Bakersfield Police Sergeant Robert Pear said over the last 4 months, police have investigated every avenue in this case before ultimately resubmitting it to the DA's office for review. However, for Banner's mother, waiting for justice has taken its toll. In a statement, she wrote, "As a parent, nothing will ever ease the pain of losing my son and only child, especially to gun violence. While I appreciate the efforts of law enforcement, the extended length of this investigation has been incredibly difficult for my family."
Ultimately, the police department arrests based upon probable cause. Charging is determined by the district attorney's office.
Although the DA's office said they are reviewing additional evidence in order to determine a filing decision, Banner's mother alleges, quote, "clear and substantial evidence that Briseño Jr. provoked and targeted her son multiple times before the shooting." Bakersfield police said both boys had firearms that night but could not comment on any other details of the investigation. Banner's mother alleges the two teens' interactions stemmed back weeks, including up to the night before the shooting. In her statement, she wrote, "My family and I are still grieving, and our community's youth remain traumatized by this tragedy. All we want is justice for Prince Michael. I remain hopeful that this next step will bring accountability, the appropriate charges, and ultimately a guilty verdict." With that report resubmitted, again, it is up to the district attorney's office to decide whether or not to bring charges and what those charges will be. In Bakersfield, I'm Veronica Morley, your senior reporter.